So if you're still holding a passport, just one in 2026, you're already behind. The citizenship by investment market just went through its biggest shakeup in 40 years. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what changed, what is launching right now, and where the smart money is moving before the window closes. Let's check it out. Well, if you know who I am, my name is Richie Presto, founder of Wealthyrich, where we provide your keys to freedom. And if you're an entrepreneur, crypto investor, high net worth individual who wants to understand how to legally diversify your citizenship, your taxes, and your future, my friend, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. So let's start with the Caribbean, because this is where the biggest change just happened. For decades, the five main Caribbean CBI programs, like Antigua, Barbuda, Dominica, Grenada, St. Kitts and Nevis, and even St. Lucia were all competing against each other on price. Discounts, guaranteed buybacks, it was all just a race to the bottom, and that era is now over. Where a new regional authority called the ECCIRA is now unifying all the programs under one framework. What does that mean for you and as an investor? Well, higher thresholds, mandatory biometrics, stricter due diligence, no more discount wars. And here's the important part. If you've been thinking about getting a Caribbean passport, the prices now are going to be the lowest it's ever going to be. And once the ECCIRA locks in its full framework, everybody's saying the prices are only going to go up and never coming back down. Now, here's what gets really interesting. While these established programs are consolidating, three brand new programs are entering the market in 2026. You have St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Sorry if I said that right, said that wrong. Is the only Caribbean country that has never had a CBI program. Now is officially confirmed it's launched. Expected entry point is between 200 and 250,000 USD. Argentina is building a framework. Botswana is coming in from Africa, and both are preparing competitive structures designed for the post-ECCIRA era. And why does this even matter? Because every single time a new CBI program is launched in the history of this industry, the first applicants always get the best deal. Lower costs, faster processing, more flexibility, and that pattern, as long as I know, has never, ever changed. Now, if speed or cost is your priority, listen up carefully because these windows are closing fast. You got Nauru out in the Pacific, which is currently offering citizenship from about 90,000 USD starting, and that's it. For $90,000 for a full second citizenship with broad family eligibility with no age restrictions, and let's just say it's unique acceptance of applicants from, let's say, profiles that most other programs would reject. And the craziest thing is that this program is going to end June 30th. So we're just weeks away from that deadline. We also have Sao Tomé and Principe off the coast of West Africa is processing full citizenship approximately 6 weeks from submission. So 6 weeks, that's faster than most countries can process a standard visa. And application volumes are pretty low, which is why probably the processing is still pretty fast. But once the demand picks up, it's guaranteed that that timeline probably is going to extend. Now let's share the strategy that wealthy families are actually using in 2026 because it's shifted significantly. Nobody's just buying one passport anymore. The approach is called a multi-citizenship portfolio. You build a collection of nationalities and residency statuses that work all together. For example, here's what it looks like in practice. You get yourself a Grenadian passport that gives you visa-free travel to over 140 countries. And it's the only Caribbean passport that unlocks the US E2 Treaty Investor Visa. It's a second citizenship with Zero worldwide income tax, zero capital gains tax, zero inheritance tax. That gives you a legitimate tax optimization structure. A European golden visa in Greece or Portugal that gives you a Schengen base, and the whole architecture is designed around one word: optionality. The legal ability to move, operate, and protect your wealth across multiple jurisdictions. This used to be something only billionaires thought about, but entry points under $100,000 in certain programs right now, it's accessible to any serious entrepreneur or investor. If any of this resonates with your situation, this is exactly what we do at Wealthyrich. Franchised globally under bonded partners, we help entrepreneurs, crypto investors, high net worth individuals all get second passports, golden visas, offshore banking, and international tax structures set up correctly and fast. Visit wealthyrich.com to book your consultation today. Links are in the description, including our sponsors Chase, Globalio, and Built, who make the global mobility lifestyle actually work. Stay healthy, wealthy, and wise, and I'll see you in the next one.